What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna get into this one quick. We're running a drill in between our place training. Check that one out. It's a good one for beginner dogs. It's a lot easier to do. Here, heel. It's a lot easier to do when the dog's young, not 2 years old. So we're just doing a simple lining drill. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can't. There's a tennis ball out there. We're gonna do a simple lining drill with Gambit just to tune him up. Here we go. Heel. Dead bird. No. Back. Sit. Nah. See, I should have my whistles. He sat then. Good boy, come. Good boy, come. Heel. Sit. Out. Good dog. Heel. 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 Sit. No. Heel. Heel. Okay, so I threw the tennis ball behind me. It's not very far away. I know where it is. Here. Heel. 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 Sit. Now, I line myself up with the tennis ball. I can see it. He might be able to see it. Here. 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 Good. Sit. Dead. Here. 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 Good. Back. Sit. I should have my whistle for that, but he listens pretty good. Back. Sit. No, here. Here. Sit. Back. Good dog. Good dog. Here. Heel. Sit. No. Hey. Sit. Out. Good boy. Sit. So that's all there is to it. Here. We're going to hide Gambit back here. Sit. 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 So he's back there. He'll be able to see this. Heel. 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 Good. Here. Heel. Just heeling him around to get his mind off that a little bit. Heel. See, we got some work to do. We're going to be working on healing. A lot of obedience stuff coming up. So stay tuned for that if you have a new dog. Heel. Sit. Dead bird. Dead. Good. Back. Sit. Here. Sit. The reason I stopped him, he broke down and started hunting. I wanted him to run a straight line. Back. Good. Attaboy. Heel. Hold. No, sit. Up. Up. Gambit. Up. Good. Out. Sit. Ah. Heel. Sit. Gambit. Good boy. So that's about it for that one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. Your likes and subscriptions help the algorithm. So we're gonna get back to our place training video, which is the video before this one. So with Gambit, for myself, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.